Welcome to this Dark Escapes tutorial, where you get to #escape with us for a few minutes and learn more about today's music industry. In the next couple of minutes, we'll explain the basics of music publishing and how you, the songwriter, can make extra money by publishing your music. Have you ever wondered exactly what music publishing is? You've probably heard about music publishing before, but perhaps you're thinking it's only relevant for bands signed to a record label. Well, that's not exactly true. Everyone who writes their own music, from the bedroom composer to the multi-platinum rock star, needs to understand the basics of music publishing. So, let's get started. Say you've just written your first song. Possibly the last thing on your mind is how you're going to make some money from it. But there's more to music publishing than just money. The first key aspect of publishing is to understand what copyright is, especially when it comes to music. Copyright ownership is when the owner, or in this case you, the songwriter, has the exclusive right to use a work you have created, with some exceptions. When you create an original work and it becomes fixed in a tangible medium, for example, once it's written down or recorded in some way, you automatically own copyright to that work, which could be a song, a melody, or even just a tune with or without lyrics. And no one is allowed to use that work without your permission or by paying you to use it. This is known as licensing. Music publishing is simply about helping songwriters like you protect the copyright of your works and collect the royalty payments for you whenever your song is used in a variety of scenarios. Also, music publishers traditionally help to exploit or generate profits from an artist's work by getting it out into the public where it can be used in different ways, like being played on radio, used in films or television shows, used in advertising commercials, featured in video games or other software, printed as sheet music, and, of course, in digital streaming and downloads. Music publishers can also help to negotiate a deal on your behalf when someone wants to license or use your song. There are different types of publishing deals, and sometimes it can get a little complicated. So it's always best to do your research or speak to someone who understands the music business, such as a lawyer or an experienced musician you know and trust. And the experienced team at Dark Escapes is always happy to answer any questions you have about music publishing. Just jump on our website and browse the resources section, send us a message, or head across to our Facebook page, Dark Escapes Publishing, and join our growing online community. We're a bunch of seasoned musicians and we want to help you get the best possible deal for your music. In another episode, we'll talk about different types of royalties and PROs, or performance royalty organisations. If you want to know more about these topics and many, many more, please subscribe to our channel and then scroll down to find some of the many links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to escape with us.